Okay, these are the elevators at the Lockwood parking garage in Baltimore. Door open button doesn't even work. We'll switch that P9. God, these are bad. These doors are bad. Switch here. It's not going to be a long video because these are, oh, that's just lovely. Lanterns, up lanterns stuck. We'll go up to R one more time. We'll get a cab view. Jesus Christ. These do not start up well at all. Jesus. Look at a cab view. Basic parking garage cab, these are nice. Capacity 3,500 pounds, this is elevator PE1. Here's your 220 buttons, and that will be it.